Hi, welcome back on my Lego build channel, and in this video we will build another pack of this Lego Architecture 21056 is number of the set, and in this video we will build the back number 3, and that's all for pack number 3. It is only 3 small packs with similar pieces, and I think the speed build will be actually shorter than the last speed build, and I think it will be shorter than the intro for this video. And also this pack include only 3 pages in the plane. You can see first, second, and third page, and there is another pack. And I think let's start. And also this, I think this pack will be cool for the time lapse, because you will see all these small pieces, and I think it will best pack for this time lapse, for another pack of this Lego set. And I think let's start. Also, you can look on my Instagram every Monday or Tuesday. I make new pictures from some Lego technic, architecture or icons, and then I put on my Instagram. And also you can write some comments. You can give me a like or subscribe, because we'll go to 150 subscribers. And I think that's all. I see you next week at the new video. Bye.